Gas prices are rising again, but what if your next family SUV could save fuel and feel luxurious at the same time? Meet the 2026 Hyundai Palisade Hybrid, a game-changing, fuel-sipping beast that's redefining what a family SUV can be. It's smarter, smoother, and more efficient than ever before. So buckle up, because this might just be the new gold standard for electrified family travel. But is it really the best hybrid SUV of 2026? Let's find out. Hyundai has done it again. The 2026 Hyundai Palisade Hybrid is not just another family SUV. It's the one setting new benchmarks for comfort, technology, and fuel efficiency. This isn't just a refreshed version. It's a complete transformation, blending luxury, performance, and electrification in one package. The Palisade has always been Hyundai's flagship family hauler, big, bold, and comfortable. But for 2026, it goes greener and smarter than ever. With a hybrid powertrain under the hood, a refined design, and an interior that could rival premium brands, Hyundai is stepping up in a big way. Whether you're a busy parent hauling kids, an adventurer who needs space, or just someone tired of paying sky-high gas prices, this SUV might be the one that checks every box. Exterior design. The 2026 Palisade Hybrid looks confident, modern, and unmistakably premium. Hyundai didn't just tweak the old design, they gave it a whole new attitude. The massive parametric grille has been reimagined with a sleek geometric pattern, flanked by T-shaped LED headlights that stretch vertically for a futuristic look. A sculpted hood and bold lines along the side emphasize strength, while the new aerodynamic rear design subtly improves efficiency. The hybrid badge is discreet but proudly displayed, a quiet reminder that this family SUV is eco-conscious too. You'll also find new 20-inch alloy wheels and aerodynamic underbody panels, giving the Palisade a cleaner and quieter ride. It's elegant enough for a night out in the city and rugged enough for a family road trip through the mountains. Interior. Step inside the 2026 Palisade Hybrid, and you'll forget you're in a family SUV. It feels like a luxury lounge on wheels. Hyundai has redefined what comfort means in this class. The cabin welcomes you with soft-touch materials, ambient lighting, and an available panoramic curved display that stretches seamlessly across the dashboard. Dual 12.3-inch screens integrate infotainment and driver info into one cohesive unit. The Palisade's cabin layout remains incredibly versatile. You get seating for up to 8 passengers with plush leather upholstery, heated and ventilated seats for both front and rear, and even a new cooled center console for drinks and snacks. The third row? Still one of the best in class for adult comfort. And yes, Hyundai added more sound insulation. The cabin is whisper quiet even at highway speeds. The result? You get a serene, fuel-sipping ride that feels way more expensive than its price tag. Powertrain and performance. Let's talk about what's under the hood, because this is where the 2026 Palisade Hybrid really shines. Hyundai pairs a 2.5-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine with an electric motor and a high-capacity lithium-ion battery. Together, they produce around 268 horsepower, a sweet spot between performance and efficiency. The hybrid system is mated to an 8-speed automatic transmission, delivering smooth and responsive power delivery. Fuel economy is where it earns its fuel-sipping reputation. Expect an impressive 34 miles per gallon combined, a huge improvement over the gas-only Palisade. With regenerative braking and intelligent hybrid modes, you'll save money at the pump while enjoying instant electric torque for quick city acceleration. And for those who crave capability, yes, it still tows up to 5,000 pounds, making it a true family adventure vehicle. Hyundai's HTRAC all-wheel drive ensures confident handling, even on slippery or snowy roads. Technology and safety. If you thought the last Palisade was loaded with tech, wait until you see what the 2026 model brings. The 2026 Palisade Hybrid comes standard with Hyundai's latest SmartSense 3.0 safety suite, including adaptive cruise control, lane centering assist, blind view monitoring, and even AI-based driver attention warnings. Inside, the infotainment experience is futuristic. It supports wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and over-the-air software updates. The new AI-based voice assistant can control everything, from navigation to seat cooling, just by speaking naturally. There's also a digital rearview mirror, a 360-degree camera system, and even remote smart parking assist, letting you park or unpark the vehicle using just the key fob. Hyundai clearly wants families to feel safe, smart, and a little spoiled. Driving experience. Behind the wheel, the 2026 Hyundai Palisade Hybrid feels effortless, like it's doing all the hard work for you. The hybrid powertrain transitions seamlessly between gas and electric power, making city driving smooth and silent. On highways, it's stable, composed, and surprisingly quick when you need extra power. The steering feels precise, and the suspension tuning is softer this time, ideal for long road trips or daily commutes. Thanks to the electric assist, acceleration feels instant, especially from a stop. Combine that with the improved insulation and redesigned chassis, and you've got one of the quietest rides in the SUV world. It's not about racing, it's about relaxing, arriving refreshed, and saving fuel while doing it. So, is the 2026 Hyundai Palisade Hybrid worth it? Absolutely. It delivers everything modern families want: comfort, technology, safety, efficiency, and luxury, all at a price that undercuts its rivals. Hyundai has successfully created an SUV that feels upscale, drives like a dream, and consumes less fuel without compromising power. If you've been considering a Toyota Highlander Hybrid or a Kia Telluride, the Palisade Hybrid deserves a serious look. It's a statement that family SUVs can be eco-friendly, premium, and practical all at once. What do you think? Has Hyundai just created the perfect hybrid family SUV? Would you choose this over the Highlander or the Pilot Hybrid? And most importantly, would you trust a hybrid for your next family adventure? Tell us in the comments below.